Hey, what's going on? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I haven't talked to y'all in a little while, so I figured I'd touch bases with y'all today and to go over some things. I had some thoughts in my mind that I want to share with you that I feel as though can help you out during these trying times. Um, you all know we're all dealing with this coronavirus. It's pretty much stifled a lot of us. We have a lot of people that currently out of work that are non-essential employees that could be suffering. We got kids that were supposed to graduate. They're not having graduations, they're not having proms, stuff like that. That's not cool for them. But like I say, during this time, we all have to make sacrifices and adjust to what's going on today in today's world, and that's what I want to talk to you about. So what's up? I want to introduce myself. For those who don't know me, my name is Shawn Cole, here in Baltimore, Maryland, online marketer and entrepreneur. And one thing about being an entrepreneur is that you could come up with solutions to help people out, economically, make things a little bit better during tough times. That we come up with solutions. And I believe I've come up with a temporary solution that'll help us get through, these rough times and kind of ease the pain and the suffering that we're going through now. We do have people dying. It's been a big change for all of us. You know, like I said, me myself, I'm quarantined 14 days, it's coming towards the end. Thank God I'm doing fine, feeling healthy, and be ready to get good to go and get back out there and get to moving. But a lot of people don't have that option right now, right? And I noticed while I was off that, a lot of people looking towards, say, social media for answers and even for entertainment. Like this past weekend, I noticed like a lot of, say, local DJs, basically had online parties, which was good because during stressful times, you need that release. We no longer have that release. You know, you no longer have that release, they say, from your 9 to 5, or now some of us not a 9 to 5. Um, those of us that were working 9 to 5s, we've now become kind of substitute teachers in a sense, and now we don't have a relief from that stress, right? But I think I've came up with a solution for that, and for those that are offered entertainment, how it could benefit them, right? And like I said, during this current pandemic, that the world is going through, we need a sense of normalcy and relief from the stressful times that we're dealing with. Um, DJs, parties, comedians, public speakers, they help us escape from what's going on, even if it's only for a brief time, and like I said, that's needed, right? With clubs, bars, parties, and social gatherings shut down, this means a lot of people are out of work, including them, and I also say the bartenders and the waitresses and everything else that they support. It's their own little ecosystem. And we're pretty much scrambling to kind of make ends meet and feed our family. Um, how can you take your skills in spreading entertainment and knowledge during this time of tragedy and shut in and still provide for your families? How are you making it do that? Because, like I said, I've seen a lot of live streaming, but a lot of them, you know, are kind of like volunteer things. They're not necessarily putting food on the table. I have a strategy that works, and it could keep the entertainment and the knowledge flowing during these times when people need an escape from, this current pandemic, something to get it off their mind. I'll kind of put together a PDF that with details how you can do this and to how to monetize your skills during this time of need, right? Send me a message, and I will fill you in on the details on how to get this PDF that can help you navigate through these tough times that we're going through currently and ahead, because I really don't see in the next couple of weeks or the next month. I see this more as a long-term thing. So we're going to have to kind of make adjustments, right? Because there is no timetable on when things are going to return to normal. There isn't. And my strategy will actually help you grow your audience and your brand. So again, send me a message and I'll tell you how to get this PDF. There's a small monetary price attached to it. and how to navigate these tough times in your business and how it will actually help you grow your brand. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, right? Thanks for your time. And again, like I said, make sure you're washing your hands. Don't touch your face. Even if you're washing and you're sanitizing your hands a whole lot and you're getting dry skin, please make sure to moisturize your skin because that could cause a problem also. Um, if you're sick, make sure you keep your face and nose covered so that you don't spread this virus. And we're all gonna get through this. But in the meantime, until we get through this and everything flatlines and we can kind of get back to a normal life, we're going to have to adjust what normal is, right? Like I said, I noticed that myself, even though through the time that I've been home, I think I've been home roughly, I kind of lost track, but I'm thinking maybe about 6 to 8 days, right? I've noticed that I don't leave the house. Everything I do now is pretty much online. And that's where everything is going to have to transfer to more online interaction. But this also can mean not just for making purchases and stuff like that. You can also get your entertainment and grow your brand that way. All right. And I got a strategy to do that could benefit you. Like I said, there's a small monetary price attached to it. But send me a message. We'll discuss that and I'll share everything with you. And hopefully, like I said, it'll help you be able to provide for your family, pay your bills, and keep food on the table. All right. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.